Hey everyone, welcome back. We've got some new articles on our Monuments website. And this is big, ladies and gents, big news for Polestar fans. Polestar powers Candela's new electric boat with EV batteries. So Polestar basically provides the batteries to Candela. And this is absolutely incredible because if this is a first partnership for Polestar in providing their battery technology to another company, what could be next? Polestar could provide the batteries to more electric boats manufacturers. What about yacht manufacturers? What about electric planes? The application list for this technology is unheard of. This gives Polestar a lot of room. This gives Polestar a lot of publicity. And it shows the world what Polestar is capable of within this boat. This is Candela's new C-8 boat. Within this boat, there are Polestar batteries. And that to me is just absolutely incredible. Honestly, this makes me love Polestar more as a company more than ever. So the Swedish electric manufacturer Polestar begins providing batteries to its new partner Candela electric boat. That's the C-8. Candela's new model is pushing the boundaries of what electric boats and ships can do, powered by Polestar. Boat maker Candela introduced its new offering, the Candela C-8, in collaboration with fellow Swedish company Polestar. With powered by Polestar technology, this boat offers a respectable 57 nautical miles of range at a cruising speed of 22 knots. How remarkable is that? Polestar announced a partnership that sees them providing charging componentry to a third party for the first time. The same battery pack and charging technology as the Polestar 2 standard range single motor will be incorporated into the Candela C-8. Giving it an impressive range of course, 57 nautical miles on a single charge. This means that the Candela C-8 boasts a range 2 to 3 times longer than the conventional electric boats. This is remarkable. I also added some really fascinating images. What I really like about Polestar and Candela, of course, is that they really understand the modern age of technology. And they're really incorporating that within their technology. They're really not afraid to embrace modern technology. Usually, companies are really hesitant to embrace modern technology. Polestar and Candela are not afraid to do this. They're not afraid to collaborate and push boundaries, which is really fascinating to me. It's really remarkable and it's something that I like to see more from Candela and of course from Polestar. So in recent statements, the Candela CEO, that's Gustav Hasselkogl, and I'll quote, "The Candela C-8 is the first electric vessel that can travel to destinations that were previously only reachable by combustion engine boats. The Candela C-8's hull is designed to raise above the waves when cruising at a high speed. Its flight controller and a computer that takes into account any side winds, loads and waves offers dynamic stability and enables it to consume 80% less energy than a conventional craft at higher velocity." So this was my old video that I made on Candela boat. This is now our new video that we're making, and I'll assure you, I'll try to make a better thumbnail because looking back, I don't think this thumbnail was the best. I think I could have improved it a lot. I hope we've improved our thumbnail over the years, of course. But I think we've definitely improved our thumbnails with titles that are now color highlighted. So I think that's quite fantastic. But also let me know if you've been around as long as that Candela video, my original first Candela video. If you've been subscribed for that long, wow, congratulations. And if you're a new subscriber, congratulations, welcome to Monuments. By the way, over on Monuments, this is our new website and we're now posting daily articles about Polestar, Neo, electric vehicles, technology, all sorts. You can actually sign up to our website for a membership. So we've got two options. We've got the free option and I would recommend both. They're both excellent because the free option gives you all my videos, all my articles. It gives you a private newsletter. But my premium content, this gives you a lot more premium information such as exclusive content, exclusive videos, stocks and shares information, my personal research and investment strategies. And it obviously gives you an exclusive newsletter as well. So those are two subscriptions, but feel free to sign up to our free subscription because that way you can get our regular newsletter and you can actually leave comments on our articles. You can actually engage with our community a lot more friendlier. And if you have any questions, of course, I can always respond to your questions. So naturally, with all that being said, we must take a look at our favorite stock right now is the Polestar Automotive Holding UK stock, of course. It's surprising that it says Automotive Holding UK while the stock is actually on the New York Stock Exchange. It's not on the London Stock Exchange. If it was on the London Stock Exchange, I think that would be quite fascinating. But taking everything into consideration, this is business. New York, America tends to, for some reason, be a lot more appealing for a lot of global companies, I'd say. Anyway, the share price has been falling today. Sorry to be the one to tell you, but nevertheless, this is good. And of course, this is not financial advice. It's strictly for educational purposes, but I like it when Polestar shares become cheap because I can buy more. And I personally believe that the share price will easily double before the end of this year, if not triple. That's to $10 or to $15, which means that I could easily double my investment or triple my investment in return. And I will be making exclusive videos on this subject next week. I'll be making much better content on this subject. I'll be posting some of these exclusive content on our exclusive membership on our website, and some of this content will actually be free on our newsletter and on our YouTube channel as well. So there's much to look forward to. I've got some good content coming out on some brilliant investment strategy that I'm implementing. But of course, once again, it's not financial advice. But I do believe that this share will easily double this year. And if you don't believe me, let's look back at last year towards the end of November. The Polestar shares hit $8 easily. And basically, we were halfway to $10. And if Polestar can do that in that short period of a time, I think they'll easily hit $10, if not $15 before the end of this year. Which means that if I invest $100,000 into Polestar this year, I can turn that into $200,000 or $300,000 if Polestar doubles or triples. And I believe in this strategy 100%, 100,000% in fact. Anyway, that's it for this video. Still the undervalued share that Polestar is. They're looking to deliver 80,000 vehicles this year. I also made an article about that as well. That was fascinating. So when you go to our website, you click on our Polestar content. You can actually click the Polestar button, and this will bring you to all of our Polestar videos our Polestar articles. In this article we wrote on Polestar, Polestar expects to sell 80,000 EVs in 2023. That's a 60% year-over-year growth. Initially, the company was hoping to sell at least 100 or 120,000 vehicles this year, but I think they've reduced that number at the start of the year so we know what to expect. And hopefully they can beat this expectation, because last year they beat their expectation. They were supposed to deliver 50,000. They delivered 51,500 EVs. Very impressive. And this is 51,500 Polestar 2s. This doesn't include any other Polestar vehicles. This was only Polestar 2. So imagine where we will be in the next 3 years by 2025 when Polestar has the Polestar 3 on the market, the Polestar 4 on the market, and the Polestar 5 coming out. By 2026, we'll have the Polestar Roadster on the road, and that's going to get Polestar a lot of publicity and a lot of attention. By that point, I think the Polestar share will easily be around 50 billion in market cap. The price will be around $20 to $25, if not $30. So basically, in the next 4 to 5 years, the Polestar share will go from $5 to around $25 to $30. That's a 5 to 6x. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in our next video.